You know that moment when you drop something on the floor, and instead of picking it up right away, you just stare at it for a few seconds thinking, do I really need this right now? Yeah, that's your legs trying to negotiate with you. But here's the good news. Today, we're talking about 8 foods that can wake up tired, weak legs in as little as 12 hours. No magic pills, no crazy workouts, just simple, real food. And trust me, a couple of these might already be sitting in your kitchen. If you care about staying strong, mobile, and independent after 60, go ahead and tap that subscribe button. I'll keep these health tips coming your way. All right, let's get into it. And stay with me till the end because number 7, most people completely overlook it, but it works wonders for leg strength. Here's the thing. Spinach isn't just for cartoon sailors, it's packed with nitrates, which Harvard researchers found can actually improve muscle efficiency. In plain English, your legs work better with less effort. One woman I spoke to, 68-year-old Linda from Ohio, was struggling to climb stairs after knee surgery. She started adding a big handful of spinach to her omelet every morning. 2 weeks in, she noticed her legs didn't burn out halfway up. 6 months later, she's back to gardening without needing to sit every 10 minutes. Salmon's omega-3s are like oil for your joints. And according to the Mayo Clinic, they help reduce inflammation, one of the biggest enemies of strong legs. If you can, go for wild-caught salmon twice a week. One gentleman I know, Mr. Howard, age 72, swapped his fried fish for baked salmon. He told me, "It's like someone took the sandpaper out of my knees." His morning walks went from 5 minutes to 20 without stopping. Ever wake up at night with a leg cramp that makes you want to invent new curse words? That's often low potassium. Bananas are a quick fix. The World Health Organization points out that potassium is key for muscle contraction and nerve signals. Keep one in the morning and you might just avoid the 2 a.m. Cramp dance. Eggs aren't just breakfast, they're protein powerhouses. Your muscles need protein to repair after even simple things like walking or standing. One egg gives you about 6 grams of high-quality protein plus vitamin D, which helps with bone strength. And yes, you can eat the yolk. That's where the vitamin D lives. Here's something fun. Greek yogurt isn't just protein, it's also calcium and probiotics. That means stronger bones and better digestion. A Harvard study found that seniors who ate more yogurt had significantly better muscle function. Toss in some berries and you've got a tasty leg strength combo. If spinach helps your muscles use oxygen better, beets take it up a notch. They're rich in nitrates too, but also improve blood flow, which helps your legs get the nutrients they need faster. Roast them, juice them, or toss them in a salad. Just don't wear a white shirt while cooking them. Trust me on that one. Here's the sleeper pick. Lentils. They're loaded with plant protein, iron, and magnesium. Iron keeps oxygen moving to your muscles, while magnesium helps them relax after use. In rural communities where lentils are a diet staple, seniors often stay active well into their 80s. That's not a coincidence. I saved the best for last. In moderation, dark chocolate can actually improve circulation thanks to flavonoids. That means more oxygen and nutrients getting to your legs. Go for 70% cacao or higher, and don't eat the whole bar in one sitting. Unless you're ready for a different kind of leg workout, walking to store for more. So, the 8 foods: spinach, salmon, bananas, eggs, Greek yogurt, beets, lentils, and dark chocolate. Each one helps your legs in a slightly different way. Better circulation, reduced inflammation, stronger muscles, more endurance. Your legs have carried you through decades of life. Through your first job, dancing at weddings, chasing after kids or grandkids, maybe even running for a bus or two. They deserve to be taken care of. And the beauty of this, you don't need expensive supplements or complicated diets, just everyday foods eaten with intention. So try adding a couple of these today, and who knows, tomorrow you might bend down to pick something off the floor and get right back up without a second thought.